I see you.
I see you. That's a good idea. You need those
machines.
That's been a must. You have to have a nightstand. Someone heard us. Someone was listening. Oh, that's really pretty in here. All these windows.
Okay, so a fifth wheel is actually towed with a hitch in the bed of your truck. The advantages are they're taller, which gives you more headroom inside, and quite often you can equip them with a generator in that forward bay.
So this one, Gamechanger. Hey, let's see if it really is.
So this is a fifth wheel and a toy hauler. This particular model is built by ATC, and they build race haulers for race cars and have now branched into the recreational market.
You can have a washer dryer in here.
The whole rig is made of aluminum as opposed to fiberglass.
This is aluminum.
And so right now we're up in the cab over part in the master bedroom. And as you come down the stairs, here's your bathroom. This one has the pop-out shower curtain. We have that in our rig, really like that. A nice roomy area here. We come down two more. Puts us on the main level. Nice kitchen. Plenty of counter space. Convection microwave. Huge television set.
And the cabinets. They're
all the cabinets have what I call marine grade click lock. Stereos in here. Got a big amp.
Oh, look at the sink.
Yep.
That's cool.
We have an oven and 3-top stove.
Nor cold. Ooh, that refrigerator's fancy. Oh, the best part. Look at the loft.
And then we have a loft over the parking garage. This is a multi-purpose room. You can actually park a car in here, but certainly would handle motorcycles, kayaks, whatever you like. You've got some sofa bunks on the side. Have a power bed that comes down so you can make this a more living space.
Yep, so it's a really good toy hauler.
The advantage of toy haulers is the ramps can be turned into
patios.
Patios, that's the word I was looking for.
Look at there. But that's a nice one.
Rain curtains.
Rain curtains.
For a toy hauler, this might be something you're looking for.
All right.
Control center. It also has onboard fuel.
Let's see what the under the belly storage is. Whoa. Oh.
There's the inverter system.
It goes all the way through.
Battery. This is your onboard gasoline.
Oh yeah? Toys. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Wow, look at the diamond plating. Propane?
Yep, these are your twin propane tanks. This would be a generator compartment if it was so equipped that your fuel's already up here, something to consider.
Nice.
It's already got soundproof box in it. This is the other side of the basement. Hot water, heating system, refrigerator.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Triple axle. Here's your fuel station and generator. So you have two separate fuel tanks, one for your onboard generator and one for your toys. That's kind of cool. Might be something you want to consider. Because it's triple axle, its weight rating is much higher than a standard toy hauler. I know what you're wondering. What's this cost? Roughly $187,000. So this is a Columbus 382 or 38-foot fifth wheel. Big advantages of a fifth wheel.
Let's go inside.
This one has double slides.
Oh, that's really pretty in here. All these windows.
Big fireplace, television, full entertainment center. Island with sink.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the little pantry with the wine cooler.
This is a pantry? It is.
What a cool idea. I love the wine cooler.
That is cool.
Big residential refrigerator.
Yep.
4-burner cooktop. This is what you get when you have the slides opposing and the space is really able to open up. Recliners and sofa, trundle bed. Let's see what's up here.
This has a really good feel to it. Oh yeah.
King size bed.
These are really cool. All right, he wants me to go upstairs. This is really neat. You walk in, and you go right on up to the bedroom.
Got a nice barn door.
Yep.
Take a look at little stands for your seat.
Oh, that's a good idea. You need those.
Machines or.
They really hurt us. That's been a must. You have to have a nightstand on both sides. So someone heard us. Someone was listening. That's exciting. Wow.
Look at the size of this bathroom.
Oh my goodness. All right, Brad, will you fit?
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
stand in there. Oh yeah. You bet.
Spare.
This is what's super exciting. It's a real walk-in closet. Here, I'll prove it. I walked into the closet. There's so much room in here.
Here is the washer and dryer hookups.
Yes, it is.
Pretty amazing.
Oh, did you see the dual sinks? Take a look. Dual sinks.
Very nice.
That is cool. And look at this. All this space underneath for storage in your bathroom. Oh, built in. There's a lot of room in this fifth wheel. I like it. Look at those lights. Oh yeah, and a ceiling fan. Let's see what it says. There you go.
Take a look at the basement in here. It actually has central vacuum, all your plumbing, but look at the amount of space you've got in here that goes all the way through to the other side. Pre-wired for a generator.
What's behind door number 1?
Another propane bottle.
Whoa.
Galley tank, black tank, gray tank. Access to the
Refrigerator.
refrigerator. It's a residential refrigerator. Very nice.
Very, very nice. Over there.
I see you.
I see you.
I think this is for winding on your power cord or fresh water.
I don't know. You'll figure it out. You think you had basement in the other one? Fifth wheels have tons of room in the basement. And this isn't even half of it. Oh, take a look at this. All of this
In 39 feet.
in 39 feet. All of this is open basement. Take a look at that. Wow.
Easily store a 14-foot kayak in here.
Oh yeah.
Easily.
Great storage. All right, let's take a look inside. All right. So this one is a little bit different, but a lot of things are the same. Look at that. So they've used this space sort of multi-purpose. It's got a bunk, which you can lift up. So for this could be an office, could be anything you want. It's a bonus space. Alright. It's a great size shower. I get it. I get it. Everything's up. I get it. So everything's up in this fifth wheel. Instead of having to step up to the bedroom, you just have everything up already. That's how come it has such a big basement. All right, let's take a look. All right, this is cool the way they have the mirrors on the doors for the closets. And you get hookups. Imagine this is for the TV, and that's a fireplace. There's a lot to offer in here.
You kind of just find something neat that you realize you could easily put in maybe your rig. And then in this case, it's called an easy reel. And right now it's in free spool, and it can hold, I assume, like a freshwater hose or even your power cord. But if we lock it in, it will wind it in or out for you. And I just thought that was kind of a cool tool, and I thought we'd show that to you.
Yeah, that's cool.
I think it's a Lippert. I can't read the blue.
All right.